before we get into this video, I just want to say that y'all have been going crazy over these damn, I don't even know what to say, the views, the likes, people commenting, whatever. But I just want to say I appreciate y'all for that. But anyway, this video is going to be pretty much me talking about how this week went. Great news, we definitely grew the account again. I don't know how, I'm just following what I see. I'm not rushing anything. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for the price to get to where I need it to be. All that good stuff. But anyway, I'm about to go over this on the charts. Honestly, what I said last week or the last video I posted, whatever, I just waited to see how the market played out. It played in my favor. I ain't gonna say luckily, because with this shit, there's no such thing as luck. You either right or you wrong, and you just gotta figure out why you was wrong, if you was wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna switch over to my computer, and then I'm probably gonna do a screen recording this time instead of trying to do with the camera. But yeah, we made like 400% again this week. So yeah, we got the account to where we wanted to get it to, and as soon as I got it to 100, I just closed everything out, left it alone. Now next week, or this upcoming week, I'm going to be using higher lot sizes. I'm hoping that the broker don't take too much when it comes to the swap fees or the commission, whatever it's called, because like this broker has really been taking a lot of my profits due to the commissions. And when I do the screen recording, you will see. I don't know if I need to switch over to a different account type or what, but I was able to open up a demo account to see what lot size I can use with $100, because this is a 1 to 1,000 leverage, and I'm able to use a standard lot. I can use 2 of them, but I'm only going to use 1, and I may just do like a 0.25 instead of a full standard lot. I think it's only $1 per tick. I'm not entirely sure. I couldn't really tell, because in the beginning it shows like it's just $1, but then when it start moving, the numbers it's really crazy. So I don't even really know how that is. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the computer, and then after that, and really it's not nothing different. It's really just what I explained last time. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that, show y'all how it played out, show y'all what my entries was. And this time I think I did 1 0.05 at the end, and then 2 0.01s, and those 0.01s is what I let run. I was in the trades for a few hours, and it finally pushed when the market had opened for New York. And as soon as price did what I was looking for it to do, got out my trade, secured my profits, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on the computer, and I'm going to break down what I saw and what made me confident in actually placing and holding those trades. And then I will swap over to my phone so I can actually see the profits, the losses. I only took 3 losses this week. So, and they was very, very small losses. And I think the biggest loss I took was like $5 and some change. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and swap over, and then I'm going to break all that down. Then I'm gonna finish out the vlog like I usually do. If you are new to this channel, make sure you're subscribing, turning on post notifications so you do not miss an upload, bro. Y'all been doing real good, but like 98% of y'all is not subscribed. And I don't know why, because you keep coming back, you know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna keep coming back, you might as well subscribe to you, bro, because I'm gonna keep posting for y'all. If you don't know my schedule, Monday through Thursday, I work. There will be some days that I work on Friday, but I'm usually off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So those are when I'm going to be making my videos. For the recap, I try my best to pick up the camera when I'm trading, but when I'm live trading, I am locked in. I don't be thinking about no camera. I don't be thinking about setting up nothing. I trade strictly off of my phone, and I just watch the charts, make sure my trades is going in the right direction, and I just allow the market to do what it's gonna do, and then we go from there. I could have let market hit my TPs this week, especially for Thursday, but I was like, I want to get this account to $100, and I'm going to stop. As soon as I saw prices at $100, I stopped, secured all my profits, I left it alone, and I saw that the market had set up Friday for like this small sale because it was news. And like I said, I did have to create a demo account just to make sure I could use certain lot sizes without it being too much, because I didn't want to do it on the live account and then potentially lose a lot because it was too much. Like I said, the commissions on that account that I have been eating it up, so I didn't want to risk that. But anyway, I figured that out, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap over, and I will catch y'all in a little bit. All right, hopefully I don't run out of space, because last time my computer was telling me I didn't have no space. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to these charts. like I said, if you haven't seen my last video, go watch my last video. It's literally the one right before this one. And I kind of went over how I was looking at NZDUSD in the first place, making sure that price was going to be going in a certain direction. I'm gonna swap over to my phone and kind of go over my entries and stuff like that. But last week I was kind of talking about how I want to see price play around the major 6 quarter point right here. I think my entry was down here somewhere. I will show you on my phone, but I think my entry was like right around here. Let me remove this because we don't need that no more. That was from last video. But yeah, so my entry was down here somewhere, and I saw this candle. I was like, okay, price is doing this and not making no new lows. I waited. I think this was Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So Wednesday is when I entered my trades. Like I said, price was somewhere around here, and I was looking at the hour chart, and as y'all can see from the daily time frame, there wasn't really any movement going on for real around that area. So price was just playing around here. But I didn't give up because I was talking to one of the people in chat, and I was like, I got faith in NZDUSD that it's going to buy back up to this high right here, which as y'all can see, it did. But I think I exited my trades probably right around here because like I said, I was just looking to get the account to $100, which I did. So like I said, I could have let it hit TP because I think TP was like, I think this was TP, and then I had another TP like way out here if price had broke this high. But as y'all can see, price got back to this area, failed to break that high, then it made a new lower high. And so now I'm looking for price to either go down lower to this to push higher, or price is going to continue to sell off. So I'm just going to wait and see what next week brings us. But like I said, it really wasn't much to it. I just paid attention to the fact that when price did this last Friday and then came back and did not break this low right here or break below this zone right here, this black line, I was like, okay, price did not break. Then it pushed up, made these highs here, and it still failed to break. Like I said, my entry was somewhere around here because these candles just, as y'all can see, it was just little consolidation, wasn't making no lows, wasn't making no highs, it was just going sideways. So I just held my buys. I had my stop loss either roughly around here or down here, and my stop losses be super, like, it don't be no big loss. It'd be like $2 at the most, or $5 at the most, but like $2 is really my stop loss. I just feel like that's a good space for me because I'm not trying to do nothing crazy when I trade, and I'm not using no insane lot sizes. I'm starting my trades off with 0.01s, letting the market show me where it's on to go, and I'm also just following market structure when I do have my entry. So I'm not just jumping in trades like I'm gonna do 0.01 just in case. I'm seeing how the market's playing out, and then I'm going to enter my trades. Like I said, price made this high here. And like I was telling people in the chat last time, price gonna make that high. Anytime it make a high, it's gonna make a low. This happened. I got out of this trade roughly around maybe right here or something like that. Price came down, made a low, came down, made another low, came down, made another low, came down. Then it came all the way back down to this price right here, and then this happened, and this is where I got my entry. I was like, okay, price came back up above or around the 0.6 major quarter point, and then it started moving sideways. When I saw that, that gave me like a little confirmation, like, hey, I'm gonna kind of look at this as a buy opportunity, simply because instead of it breaking this low and going lower, it bought back up and made a higher low. And remember, when I said last video, the market, when it's in an uptrend, it's higher highs and higher lows. Downtrends do not make higher lows. So when price did this and then made a higher low, I was like, okay, cool. That's a confirmation for me. On top of some other stuff that I was looking at, like I said, I was going between time frames, and as y'all can see on the daily, it left this candle here, which is a very important candle to me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. Anytime I see the market do this with a candle, so price will push down heavy, and then it'll slowly, and I mean slowly, pull back up. When I see this happening live, I know, like, okay, price has a potential to buy up. As y'all can see here, price pushed down real heavy and slowly came back up. I would have got a buy entry somewhere around here. Again, here. Anytime I see some super long wicks like that, and then price starts to slowly move in the opposite direction of that wick, to me, this is not financial advice, but to me, that is a indication for me to get into a buy or a sell, depending on what I'm looking at. But again, we had these two candles here. Price was failing to make new lows here. Then we got this, that would have been that new low, but it failed to hold and then came back up. That's what gave me that confirmation to get an entry. Then price came down a little bit more and then finally pushed up. And this was where I was able to get that extra little amount of money to get my account to $100. Like I said, it wasn't really a crazy breakdown. If you want to see what I really was looking at or my thoughts before this actually played out, go to my previous video. It will be on the screen somewhere. And yeah, but that's that for this trade, or for these trades. I honestly could have still been holding for my very first entries from when the first month started. But like I said, I'm not in no rush. This is my journey. I'm going to enter my trades, close my trades. I'm going to trade comfortable for myself. I'm not worried about how the other trader trade or whatever the case may be. So, yeah, that's how that played out. And we was able to grow the account. Another $20 to 100. I got to do this 8 more times for y'all to show that this is possible. Like, I know what I can do. I'm doing this because I told myself I can grow big accounts. That's cool. But if I can't manage a small account, I can't expect myself to manage a really, really, really big account. I'm talking about like 10K accounts, 100K accounts. You know what I'm saying? Possibly $1 million account. But I'm doing this for myself, for my discipline, for my consistency, for my patience. Like, you cannot go crazy with $20, bro. Like, you can't. One wrong move and you're donezo's. Like, you can take 2 trades and lose, and you're probably at $10, $12. Like, it's crazy. You have to have patience. You have to have good entries, and you have to be consistently making profit or breaking even. I don't break even, and I will go over how I was able to actually make profit like this and not take as many losses as I used to. That's that for the computer. We're gonna swap over to the phone, and we're gonna go from there, and then I will show y'all, or I'll end the vlog off back on the camera. Catch y'all later. So I'm going to turn on my trade history so y'all can see what I did. As y'all can see, I would always tell my chat, buys above highs. I always look at different time frames, looking at the higher time frames, seeing what the candles looking like. As y'all can see where I got my entries at down here, these blue arrows, this arrow at the top. Let me see if I can get another arrow in here. So this arrow was here. This was at 0.05. Price pushed up a little bit, took my profit, came back down some more, pushed up, and then dropped all the way down here. I'm glad I took my profit because at 0.05, although price pushed up, that probably would have had me on edge considering price wasn't, really pushing, got in between this little zone here. But these was my 0.01s. And as y'all can see, like I said, I could have held my trades to TP, but like I told myself, I want to get to $100 and get out of the trades, and that's what I did. I'm going to follow my rules. I'm going to do what I said, because usually when I go against what I say, I always end up losing. I said that in a video before, a couple videos ago. I went against what I said I was going to do, ended up almost blowing my account. But anyway, as y'all can see, I'm not holding no big trades. I'm not doing nothing crazy. 2 0.01, 0.05 took like $1.50 from there, and these 2, I can't remember what it gave me, but it was just enough to get me to 100. It's literally like $100 and like 30 cents or something like that. But as y'all can see, price made this high, came down, made this low, and now it's below this level again. And I missed a very important thing, but I'll probably go over that real quick after I show y'all the actual entries that I got. Try to hurry up because I'm gonna have to airdrop this to my computer. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all when I started. Where we at? All right, there go that loss. Boom, $20. Well, $21.51, whatever, however y'all want to look at it. And these was my trades. As y'all can see, decent profit, decent profit. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm not making hundreds and thousands yet, but it's all adding up. I'm securing small gains. I'm taking very, very, very small losses. The losses that I'm taking, I'm doubling, quadrupling in profit. So it's not no crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm taking $10 loss, and then I'm making $1, $2. No, I'm staying away from that. But as y'all can see, when my stop losses hit, it's literally either max $2 or $5. Like, as y'all can see, and that $5 loss, I took that out on my own because, like I said, I don't want to lose no more than 5. So as y'all can see, here's the profits here. 25-cent loss, nothing crazy. And as y'all can see, there was a 0.11. I closed it out because of where I was in price. I think there was a higher entry than I was comfortable with. And I was like, I don't like this entry. So I closed out. If y'all feel like y'all got a high entry, or you at a a price that you're not comfortable with, it's okay to close your trades. You don't have to sit through that drawdown or whatever the case may be, because like that 0.11 could have dropped heavy and really took a lot out of my account. But yeah, those last two entries of 0.01, as y'all can see, it wasn't nothing crazy. There was $2.33, $2.10. But now, as y'all can see, the account is at $100. And for those who don't know, this is a real account. I'm not trading no demos. I'm not doing nothing like that. This is live accounts only. So I was never really a big fan of demo trading. I feel like our emotions are a lot different when it comes to demo and live trading. So I did do demo a little bit. I usually do it to see what I can do as far as lot sizes with account sizes. But other than that, I do not try to stay on demo accounts and practice and this and that. I just need to see what I can and can't do with the lot sizes with the account size that I have. As y'all can see, I did have that withdrawal from that first time. And the only reason I did that is because I wanted to make sure I can actually get the money from the broker before I flip this account to something crazy. So now I'm going to continue to grow this account and just document it and see what we can do from here on out. Like I said, I will be using different lot sizes for right now. The sweet spot for me between the 20 to the 100 is the 0.05 once I get to, 30, 40 bucks or whatever. But 0.01s are really good. So do not underestimate the 0.01s. Now, with that being said, y'all see the account, y'all saw the entries. This is just to show y'all that I've really been on NZDUSD crazy. And that's usually all I've been using to grow these accounts. NZDUSD and gold, but I stopped trading gold and just stuck with NZDUSD. For one, it's a cheaper major pair, and it just works for me. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm used to trading GBPUSD, but GBPUSD was a little more expensive. It was like $2 or something like that for the 0.01 or whatever the case may be. And the NZDUSD is a little bit cheaper, but it's still a major pair, and it kind of moves the same way. So I'm just comfortable trading NZDUSD. As y'all can see, I do be holding my trades for days sometimes. And it's nothing crazy to me. It's just as far as like holding it for weeks and weeks and weeks. As y'all can see, my entry down here, I really could have held that. So this entry right here, these entries, I really could have been holding all of those and still been really good in profit. But like I said, I'm just trying to slowly but surely grow this account. And you can always, as y'all can see, get more entries and they still be good entries. Buy low. As y'all can see, I'm buying low. And if y'all see here, when I have high entries, I close them out because they're a high price. And you see why I be closing out at those high prices, because price can always push down when it makes a new high. It's always going to push down when it makes a new high, actually. So as y'all can see, all my buy entries are always going to be at the bottom of these candles. And I'm going to continue to trade like that because that's what you're supposed to do. And that's what's been keeping me from getting cooked like I used to get cooked. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and swap back to the trading view real quick so I can show y'all why I closed out my trades once price got into this zone right here. And I'm going to explain that really quick. So if we go and look at NZDUSD, we are still below this zone right here. We are still below this zone right here. That's why I told myself I'm not even looking forward to really holding these trades, because until we actually break this zone, I don't want to swing trade for real, because we're still in a supply area. So although price is pushing up from here, this could be as high as it's wanting to go until it comes back down, and then we see price go higher. So I want to wait to see what price do after it actually breaks this zone, because once it breaks that zone, we could look to target here, 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 and here. But it has to break this zone first. So whatever price is going to show me next week, that's what I'm going to follow. Price could potentially sell back down to the lows, either around this zone. It could potentially sell back down to here. We don't know. But yeah, I'm about to swap back over to the vlog. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this, and I will catch y'all. Alright, so that's gonna wrap that up for today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all are getting some value from these videos, please comment down below and let me know if this has been helping y'all or not. Y'all need me to go over anything, what I be looking at, what I be seeing, want me to explain something, break something down, comment down below and let me know. Also, when I did my screen recording, I forgot to talk about the commissions. Go scroll back if you would like and look at how much they're taking in commissions, bro. They only taking like 30 cents in swaps, but the commissions is eating me up. If y'all have another broker for MT5, I'm not tripping about it being regulated or not. I'm not putting a whole shit ton of money in this shit. I'm putting the minimum in here and flipping it to some, I ain't saying nothing crazy, but $100 from $20, that's decent in the amount of time that I'm doing it anyway. But if y'all got a broker with 0 commissions, please, please, for MT5, please let me know, because that shit is killing me. But anyway, hopefully y'all enjoy that. I'm going to continue to document everything and let y'all see everything. Everything has actually been playing out very, very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, I ain't gonna say I've always been good, but like, when I actually sit down and can focus, got a clear mind and read these charts and actually go over why I would actually take a buy or a sell, 8 times out of 10, I'm not gonna miss. You know what I'm saying? So, but with me focusing on this one pair, honestly, and not having to look at 1,000 different other pairs, it's easy for me to stay on track because I'm looking at the same thing. So price either gonna go up or go down. I'm following trend, I'm paying attention to everything. I'm making sure I'm not just jumping into random trades, whatever the case may be. But yeah, so make sure y'all taking y'all time. For the people that's depositing money into their accounts and trading, I am not a financial advisor or anything, but for the ones who are trading, make sure you take your time. You do not need to rush. You do not need to impress nobody. We're not doing this for likes and stuff. We all got our own reason on why we started. Make sure y'all taking y'all time with these trades, bro. Don't just jump in stuff because you're trying to make a quick buck. Don't try to put all your money in there like, oh, I need to pay some bills and I need extra bread. If you're gonna do this, bro, understand you need to look at this as a long-term thing and not just a way to make quick money, bro. Really take your time with this, because when you master this, you can make whatever you decide to make whenever you decide to make it. But anyways, me and your boy the Ant. I really hope y'all been enjoying these videos. Again, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you do not miss an upload. Make sure y'all are turning on post notifications so you do not miss an upload. Also, I do be sending screenshots and showing screenshots, dropping my chats and everything, my charts, on the community tab. So if y'all scroll over to the community tab and y'all be missing stuff and wonder if I got a Telegram, Instagram, or something you can hit me up on, always check the community tab. I'm always gonna drop an update. If anything crazy going on, I will let y'all know before I drop a video. I let y'all know when I'm gonna drop a video. I let y'all know what's going on. So with all that being said, I be talking fast. I be trying to get it out of the way. I don't be want to hold up y'all time. But anyway, hopefully y'all enjoying this. Again, I'll catch y'all in the next one. And hopefully next week we get some crazy games, bro. Like, knowing that I can use a standard lot, I just don't, with the commission swap, bro, I just don't know how much they're gonna try to take, man. They may try to take half my account if I use a standard lot. So I may just stick between the 0.1s or the 0.25. We're gonna see how it all play out. I'm not saying I'm gonna win every time, but as y'all can see from the history, if I take a loss, it's not gonna be no big losses. And then the win's gonna have to definitely cover the losses. Anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.